This is a real abandoned police car. Come on, let's go. Hey, senor, you. Hello, friends. It's me again, Vyacheslav Ismailov or Via. And look at the comment a subscriber wrote to me. He claims that he knows the location of an abandoned police Zaporozhets. What does that even mean? Anyway, he already sent me the coordinates, so let's head there and see what he's got for us. Let's go. So, if I understand everything correctly, we're already somewhere near that very police car from the Soviet Union. Maybe it's somewhere around here. I don't see it, because according to the Global Positioning System navigation, we're supposed to be right here, like somewhere nearby, but I don't see anything. This dense forest is confusing to navigate. Damn, I can't tell which way we went. The last thing we need is to get lost. Look at these snowdrifts, so much snow. I've already been walking around here back and forth. Wait, what's that? What?
It's nothing.
Here it is. Unbelievable. That's a Zapor. That's a real Soviet Zaporozhets. It's an actual abandoned police car from the USSR. Seriously, guys, look at the picture. Check it out. These were real traffic police cars in the Soviet Union. Wow, yeah, I'm just speechless. Like some caveman. Look at how beat up it is. Apparently they broke it here and left it, well, I don't know for how long, but there are branches lying on it. Look, it says Militia here, right? So before it was Militia, and now it's Politia. The Soviet emblem is painted here. Look, there's damage here too. It really broke this latch. And in the back, look, guys, look, in the back it says Traffic Police. So now we have State Traffic Safety Inspectorate, but before it was GAI. That's funny. So right now, I'm most interested in two things. Whether we'll be able to get inside somehow, probably yes, and second, whether we'll be able to start the engine and drive it. Haha, that's awesome! Well, let's get started. So let's clear all this snow out of here, and... Oh, haha, it worked. Amazing. Guys, just look at this. There's a jacket here, and a police uniform too. Damn, look, the whole Zaporozhets is in such a wrecked state. It's so dirty. Look, the baton, damn, it doesn't work. This is an old Soviet one, like those old Soviet flashlights, but here it's a police baton. And also, look at this bag. Pay attention, it says Leningrad here. Back in the Soviet Union, St. Petersburg was called Leningrad, so this bag is really old. Here we have some ancient Soviet tools. I've never seen anything like them before. They say Soviet tools are the most reliable. And it's true. This old car's been here for years, but I bet I can get it running today with these tools. Did you see how much stuff is inside? These are Nestiki, these are the fitters. It's a shame that moths have eaten them, but the moths ate Nestiki's cap. Let me try all this on right now, and let's see how I look as a Soviet policeman, a militia officer. Oh, hey, so what do you think? Right now, I look like a real policeman. Well, a militia officer from the Soviet Union. Genuine with real leather. I've got the bag, basically a real Zaporozhets. USSR, well, yeah. USSR is international, but in Russian, it's Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. That's how it is. Oh! There's also a sign saying traffic police here. Everything's cool and great. Let's see what else is cool here. Police officers. Wow, amazing. Look, it's a sunken car and it's almost full. Ha. There's fuel in there, but the smell is strong. I'm not sure we can use it. Yeah, we can. We'll pour it in and be on our way. There are actually 2 batteries here. What's this? Check out this ancient gearbox. It's completely rusted. Oh, more Soviet tools. Jackpot, guys, jackpot. Wow, look at these fancy glasses. Back when there was sun, in these current summer days, did Soviet police officers walk around like this? Like in summer, so the sun wouldn't blind them. Wait, where's my baton?
Raise the baton?
Oh, that's how it works. These were the kind of police officers in the Soviet Union. Yeah, go ahead. Come on, what do you have? 50 rubles. That's not much.
Harry, stay calm.
Besides tools, flashlights, some, multimeters and other stuff, my grandfather had this, look, this is a camera. This is a Soviet camera, Smena. Wow. So basically, look, you can twist the lens. This camera was probably used by Soviet police officers to photograph offenders or violations. Guys, this is just insane. This is undeveloped film, and most likely it contains images of those very offenders and violations. Here's a pump. You can use it to inflate the tires since they've likely deflated after sitting for so long. Oh, what a heavy metal box. Oh, this can be used, and if we don't use it today, I'll take it to my hangar and use it there for repairs. Some kind of strange thing. Whoa, wow, it's really well preserved. Whoa, oh wow, it's spun, it works, it spins. It probably costs a lot of money. These are Soviet rarities, that's crazy. I have no idea what this thing is. Guys, let me know in the comments. I really want to know, because I'm sure that if we find out what it is, we'll be able to sell it for a lot of money. Oh, pork! March 13th, 1974! Price 95 kopecks, or whatever it says there, 1 ruble, 1974! What's that? So it's a half century, right? I counted 50 years. Let's check if she can snatch it from me or not. Here we go. Yeah, you know, it's really awesome. Not a single streak of fat, just a little bit. This pork is really great. Awesome. So, let's take a look. Ooh, this looks good. No pump, seems fine. The spark plugs are here. There's a spare one just in case. That's good. We'll fill it up with fuel, and I think we'll be good to go. Yeah. I figured I'd need this thing today, so I brought it with me. It's just a regular booster. So there are 2 batteries here. Here's the first and the second. Let's give it a try, just for fun. Red goes here, black goes here. It'll provide 13 volts to this battery, so we should try starting the engine. If everything works out, we'll just get in and drive away on it. Whoa! Everything's great, damn! It's so dirty in here. Look, guys, and right here, if I remember correctly, yeah, this is our battery disconnect switch. If we press it, the power from my booster will go to the ignition. Oh, damn, turn off! I think I got it. The ignition and red light are on. Everything's good. Everything's good, ha ha ha. Everything works fine. Oh, I cleaned up here and gathered all the tools. I thought I'd have to mess around with the engine, but it's running perfectly smooth. I don't know, it's some kind of miracle. Anyway, I'm just going to get out of these snowdrifts as is. Let's go. Haha, this is awesome, guys. It just caught traction. The car grabbed on and shot right out of that ravine. Unfortunately, the trees didn't like it much. And along with that, we had to damage the hood a little, but it's no big deal. I think we can still have some fun with this old police Zaporozhets for many years, but let's check what it can still do. Let's go. Wow. Aha. Yeah! Woo-hoo! In short, things are bad. I tried. At first it was in drive. Either it ran out of fuel or lost power. In short, it doesn't go at all. It barely even spins its wheels. On top of that, look here. The tires are all bald. They're summer tires. So basically, we can't go anywhere on these tires. We need to call our friends and have them carefully tow me in this very Zaporozhets. We hooked up this police Zaporozhets to our Pathfinder. Sergey arrived.
Sergey didn't even call me.
He was grumbling again yesterday, so I didn't call him, thinking he wouldn't wake up. Anyway, now we'll try to get out on our own. Let's see how it goes. Come on, come on.
Hi.
There you go. Hey,
To the right!
Got it.
Oh.
We won't fit. It's too narrow.
We have no choice. Go ahead.
Seriously, yes. You are an idiot. Tell your driver to drive carefully. What are you, huh? Look, there's a huge dent. The headlight's gone. The whole body is crumpled like an accordion. Aren't you ashamed? That was a classic car. Everything's fine. Let's keep going. Just be careful. Carefully. Come on, no, don't do that.
A few moments later.
Don't do that. What kind of idiots are you? Are you stupid or what? Seriously? Don't you even care about the forest? And 2 trees. At least they're dry, but look at this one. Just idiots. Let's head to the base already. Just be careful. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Oh! Wait, guys, we did it. Here's the road exit. We dragged it all the way here. Naturally, our Zaporozhets, because of the actions of this crazy person, the Zaporozhets has completely changed its shape. This is what it looks like now. This part can be fixed. The fender can be straightened, and everything, including the geometry, can be repaired. On the other hand, it's brand new, yellow, pretty, all the markings, everything is preserved. I think this one door could basically be given to a museum. Everything else is questionable, of course. Whether we restore it is up to you. Leave comments, subscribe, and like. Bye.